Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm going to show you how to use the PhotoPlay Wiper Card Kit. This came with the Kraftin Kimmie add-on bundle for April 2022, and I absolutely love it. It's so easy to use for the kit. And I just thought I would show you how easy it is to put it together. If you remember, this is the card that I made for the release using that wiper card. Literally, I have to put it away because I just want to play with it because it's just so fun to have that little pop-up, and it's just super cute and adorable and fun. So that is what we're going to do today. I already have everything ready to go, so it's basically just putting it together. So let's go ahead and open this up. In the wiper card kit from PhotoPlay, you get enough supplies to create 3 wiper cards. Everything is included. The only thing that you really have to do is cut this little piece out, which I already did, just to make it more time efficient here. And I also really looked at it, so I wrote on it where I need it to be. But you just cut that little piece out. It's already scored for you. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can see it there. It's already scored. And then you need all the other pieces. There's, what, 3 pieces, I think. So everything is scored, cut. You just have to grab it and go. And then they do have some really great instructions that come with it. So let's get busy. Before I go ahead and fold all of these and start putting it together, I did already put my panels together that I'm going to put on it. So everything's ready. I will have all the dimensions in the description box, as well as a link to the Kraftin Kimmie shop, so you can get this add-on bundle. Comes with those wiper cards and then a complete set of these gems. Since I'm on the design team, we kind of split up a kit, so I got a mixture, but they are gorgeous, gorgeous. And then also some rickrack, if I remember right. I forgot to pull it up before I started my video, but everything will be linked below, as well as dimensions. So like on my panda card, you saw here that I just added some pattern paper. So I'll have the dimensions for this. When I was creating my panels last night, I did mat it a little bit. So I'm not going to add the dimensions for the layers, so you can decide whether you want a bigger or a smaller layer, or if you just want to use one piece. For my panels, I did use the Kraftin Kimmie stencil leaves and vines. Did some very basic ink like stenciling with the Kraftin Kimmie Charming Chartreuse, Lucky Limeade, and Fresh Fields. And then the stamp set that I'm using is the Kraftin Kimmie Butterfly Dreams. Such a pretty, pretty set. The sentiment says, "Let your dreams take flight on soaring wings." So I thought it would be fun to have this butterfly be the thing that pops up. So that's already ready to go. And so let's get to putting this together. Again, the first thing that I did was cut out that little piece. Next, we're just going to fold everything on the pre-scored lines. It gives you a very good visual on which way it needs to be folded. So let's see here. This one needs to be folded this way, and then this way. So you can see already it is starting to come together. Sorry that let me get rid of that white, sorry. But then I have that reflection. How about if I put the white over the reflection and I try to do this there? Yeah, it won't be totally white soon. Anyways, it just, like I said, it gives you really good directions. And then on this piece, it's gonna fold like that. So let's just burnish those score lines. And then it's just a matter of putting it together. And seriously, this is so easy. Before you put it together, I would recommend adding your decorated pieces because it'd be a little bit difficult afterwards. So let's go ahead and do that, and that'll help you be able to see it as well. I'm just using some ATG. You could use score tape, liquid adhesive, whatever you feel works best for you. So I decorated every single panel. You wouldn't have to. Some of them you don't really see. So there's that one. And then let's do this next one here. Just going to put that right there, kind of line it up. Had some extra adhesive, just kind of roll that off. I stamped butterflies on this one, so I just gotta make sure that I get those butterflies going the right direction. I did a card recently and I didn't pay attention, and I have hearts going sideways, but they were really tiny, so hopefully no one notices. But anyways, I do have my butterflies going the right way. We'll just add that. So there's that section pretty much done. Pretty pretty. I love that stencil. Then let's finish adding it to this one. And so you can see already how easy it's going to go together, and it'll just fold there. So let's get these ones on here. Oops. Again, you wouldn't have to decorate every single panel there, but I thought it just added a little bit something to it. There you go, and then this piece here. All right. Then the next step that you want to do is to add the little piece that's going to be the wiper. And so, again, it tells you the directions are very clear. You put that it lines up and is only under that certain little section there. And make sure that I have this going the right way. So it's going to be on this part. And I have to really think about this. So it's going to go over on that corner. Let me look at the other one. Again, it's easy, but it's like one of those things that's like, really? So yes, it's going to go right on that corner there. So I'm just going to add some adhesive there. And so you can just line it up. You can see how it kind of makes it so it fits. That's an easy way to remember, is that you want it to be like square there. And fold it down. I think I put it on the wrong one. I did. I will get this. It really is easy. It's just a matter of remembering where everything goes. So it goes like that, but on this one. So you want the one closest to the bigger panel there. Again, you're going to have it so that it lines up there. There we go. We're in business. And it's like, or it's shows that we all can figure things out. Just don't give up, right? All right. Then the next part is easy, and we're almost done. Really super easy to put this together. Then you're just going to put adhesive on this part. line that up. And then I found it easier to kind of fold that over, add your adhesive to this part, because you want it to be closed when you adhere it. And there you go. So we have that. All that's left is adding our butterfly there. I didn't think about that. Maybe we'll do it so that it's up towards, maybe like at a little angle there. Just gonna put a little bit there. You could like cut out a piece and like you could do the stenciling or whatever. I don't think that it's going to be noticed as much, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to make sure that it's above, I don't know if you can see, like above the line there. So I think I'm going to put it like that, and then you close it, and then that butterfly just pops up. So you can let your dreams take flight on soaring wings. Super, super easy to use the PhotoPlay Wiper Card Kit. Kraftin Kimmie, again, has this in the April 2022 add-on bundle. I will link everything below. I will finish off my card off camera and post pictures of it. I'm going to add some of these gems, maybe some sparkle to it. But that is how easy it is to use these wiper cards. And again, this is going to have to be one that I put away because I'm going to sit and play with it. They really are so much fun. All right, that's all for me. Thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.